Howdy folks, Daniel Rubino here with WPCentral.com. I just want to give you a quick tour of a new app that hit the marketplace recently called remembeReel. It's my new favorite app I talked about on the podcast recently, and I'll give you a tour. You can see it's got a little live tile here, flips around, shows your latest movie, whatever you entered. And we'll go here. Now this app's completely free, it's very fast and fluid, and I just love the way it works. Basically, if you watch a lot of movies like myself, it's a great way of remembering, keeping track of everything you've basically watched. So you get your menu, my movies, my wish list of things you want to watch, or if you just want to look up stuff. What it's basically doing is it looks up through Rotten Tomatoes and gets the database there of movies and gets all the information. So here are my recent films, favorites if you like them, and we can just basically go to my movies here. You can see it brings down all the information, including the synopsis, critics' consensus, runtime, if I liked it, and any notes you can put in too. Of course, you can edit all this. Or you just add a new movie, so we'll do like say Pulp Fiction. And search. And it's very quick. You can see how fast this pulls up the information. That's the movie we want. Bring it all down, all the info. And then you can pick the date you watched it on. And it just brings up the normal calendar. You can add a star if you liked it, and if you want you can put any notes down, which is pretty convenient. And then if you want, of course, you could just save it, and there it goes, and it adds it to your movie list, which you can also then sort by alphabetical order or a date watched, which is pretty nice. Now we go back to this. I love this. We have share movie or view similar movies. Share movie, it's going to integrate with the whole social networking in Windows Phone. And this is a really cool thing because now you can send out a tweet to people or put on Facebook. And not only that, it says I just watched Pulp Fiction, shared via remembeReel. And it will actually give a hyperlink to the movie in the database. So if you're watching, Pulp Fiction, everybody knows, but more obscure movies, it's a great way of sharing that info and giving the link to the person to actually, facilitate them looking up that info in that movie itself. So you go back here, and of course you can do my wish list of things you want to watch, good reminders basically, or if you just want to search about a movie, you can do by title, by cast, or notes. And other than that, you also have my other favorite aspect here, backup restore. This is really cool. It actually integrates fully with SkyDrive. You can see I'm signed in, and I can just hit backup or restore. And there it goes, saved to the cloud, and that's it. Now I use a lot of Windows phones, so keeping my database up to date on all my phones is very important. By using this method, I can quickly do that. And I think it's just a brilliant use of SkyDrive. It's very well laid out well, and it just works. So that is remembeReel. I really like it. I would like to see a calendar function maybe. Like a little calendar shows you when you watch stuff would be kind of cool. But other than that, great app. If you watch a lot of films, want to keep track of it, highly recommend it. It's free in the marketplace and has no ads, so there's no reason not to try it. There you go. Take care, everybody.